Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among covered hills, lived a lonely old clockmaker named Sebastián. He spent his days mending clocks, his heart as still and quiet as the ticking of the grandfather clock in his workshop. Christmas always passed him by, the festive cheer echoing faintly in the distant houses, never touching his solitary life. He believed Christmas was only for children. One snowy Christmas Eve, a small boy named Lucas, lost and shivering, stumbled upon Sebastián's workshop. His clothes were thin, and his small wooden toy, a tiny reindeer, was almost broken. Lucas bravely knocked on the door, his eyes wide with hope. Sebastián, usually a man of few words, felt a warmth spread through him that he hadn't felt in years. Sebastián, touched by the boy's plight, took Lucas inside. He mended the reindeer, his nimble fingers working quickly and efficiently. As he worked, he told Lucas stories of Christmases past, stories of warmth, laughter, and the magic of giving. He felt his heart grow lighter with every word. He found himself smiling, a rare occurrence. As the night grew old, Lucas's parents came to collect him. Before leaving, Lucas gave Sebastián a small, handcrafted ornament, a tiny star made of twigs and berries. For Sebastián, it was the most precious gift he had ever received, a symbol of hope and joy. That night, Sebastián felt a warmth deeper than he had ever known. That Christmas, Sebastián's workshop was filled not only with the ticking of clocks, but also with the joyous sounds of laughter and the warm glow of Christmas lights. He discovered the true meaning of Christmas wasn't just in the gifts, but in the sharing of kindness and the joy of giving. Did Sebastián change his ways at Christmas? Why did Lucas give Sebastián the tiny star? How did Sebastián feel after Lucas left? What does the star symbolize for Sebastián? This charming story, The Clockmaker's Christmas Miracle, is now available as a mini book, a fun coloring book, and an enchanting video with captivating visuals. The story explores the importance of kindness, generosity, and the true meaning of Christmas. We hope it will spread holiday cheer and bring a smile to your child's face. You can find all 3 products here. Insert link.